How to receive same calls on two iPhones at the same time. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is make sure that you both have the same Apple ID, use the same Wi-Fi network, and both of the devices have Bluetooth toggled on. Once all of these are confirmed, simply tap on the Settings app of your primary device. So if this is your iPhone A and you want to switch the or you want to receive the call on iPhone B as well, then simply tap on the Settings app from your iPhone A. Then simply scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps option available in there and navigate to the phone section. Now once you tap on the apps, look for the phone app, tap on it. Once inside the phone app, simply tap on the calls on other devices option available there. And if you see the allow calls on other devices and if it is toggled off, then toggle the switch on, and in the below you will get to see your iPhone B name available there. And make sure that it is toggled on as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.